Introduction. We use varieties of food in our daily life. Fruits, vegetables and other food substances have different tastes. Difference in the taste. Add salt to lemon juice. Add sugar to lemon juice. Notice the change in taste. Change in color. Substances change their color when added to other substances. These are known as indicators. Color change of turmeric powder with soap water. Take some turmeric powder in a bowl and add few drops of soap water. We notice that turmeric changes its color into red when soap water or lime water is added to it. Take some fruit juices, solutions of some vegetables, cool drinks and test them with red and blue litmus papers. The substance that turns blue litmus paper to red are acidic in nature. The substance that turns red litmus paper to blue are basic in nature. The substances that did not change the color either blue or red litmus paper are said to be neutral in nature. Acidic nature. Apart from natural acids, there are certain acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. that are prepared from minerals. Basic nature. Substance, base. Lime water, calcium hydroxide. Glass cleaners, ammonium hydroxide. Soap, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide. Apart from natural acids, there are certain acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. that are prepared from minerals. Basic nature. Burn a small piece of magnesium ribbon by holding it with tongs. Collect the white ash. Oxides of magnesium when dissolved in water form magnesium hydroxide. Similarly, oxides of potassium and sodium form potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide when dissolved in water. All these are basic in nature. They would be soapy when touched. The substances that are soapy turn red litmus to blue litmus. Some more experiments. Methyl orange gives red color with acids and yellow color with bases. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid solution and turn pink in basic solution. When lemon juice is added with other minerals like copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, brass, aluminium pieces to each one separately, they release hydrogen gas. It does not have color. It catches fire with a sound. Carbon dioxide. Take lemon juice in 2 test tubes and add some pieces of marble to one test tube and eggshell to another. Bring a burning matchstick near the test tube. Pass the gas into lime water. As lime water turned milky white, carbon dioxide is released. The properties of acids and bases. When acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, they give a neutral solution. The neutral solution have no effect on indicators. Acids and bases have opposite effects on indicators. Take a test tube and put 10 drops of hydrochloric acid and 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution. Now add caustic soda solution equal to hydrochloric acid drop by drop to the test tube. After each drop, shake the test tube well and see the change in color of the solution. Keep adding the caustic soda drop by drop until the color begins to turn pink. Add 1 drop of hydrochloric acid and see if it changes back to its original state, that is colorless. If not, add 1 more drop of hydrochloric acid until the solution in the test tube becomes colorless again. On the basis of this experiment, you might have noticed that if we add excess base to acidic solution, it converts into base. Similarly, we can change base into acid. Acid rains. Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid with rainwater. Industrial water gases contain sulfuric dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide. When they get mixed with moisture, they change to acids. Acid rains causes damage to buildings and our skin. Acid rains witnesses in our state in Visakhapatnam district. Salts. When an acid and a base are mixed, a chemical reaction takes place and salts are produced. For example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with caustic soda solution, a salt sodium chloride is produced. Classification of salts. Salts which change blue litmus to red are acidic salts. Salts which change red litmus to blue are basic salts. Some salts affect neither blue nor red litmus. These are called neutral salts. Uses of some acids, bases and salts in ordinary life. Acids, bases, salts. Preparation of pickles, acetic acid. Removing of grease stains, ammonium hydroxide. Food preservation, common salt. Preparation of pulihora, citric acid. Soap contains potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Wash clothes, washing soda. Cool drinks, carbon acid. Removal of ink stains, oxalic acid. Bleaching powder contains calcium hydroxide. Cool drinks, cake, baking soda. Manures, batteries, sulfuric acid. Fire extinguisher contains aluminium hydroxide. Medicine, dyes, hydrochloric acid. Explosive, nitric acid.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.